In the dark depths of the ocean, a magical light emerges, revealing the wondrous world of bioluminescence. This remarkable phenomenon is caused by special proteins and chemical reactions found in myriad oceanic creatures, from mesmerizing jellyfish to glowing plankton. Researchers have uncovered that these bioluminescent displays serve crucial roles, such as defense against predators or luring unsuspecting prey. One striking example comes from the deep-sea anglerfish, which uses a glowing lure to attract its meals. But the most astonishing aspect? Scientists are harnessing this natural phenomenon to innovate sustainable lighting and medical imaging techniques, illuminating our understanding of life itself.